Hey guys, Girl Smart Diva and then Girl Smart the Curvy Diva, and I'm back with another video. Guys, I forgot to do my intro, so I'm doing it now. We're taking a tour from Brino or wherever to this beach area here called Benta Beach. So I'm just going to show you guys the sign because I don't remember the name. So yes, it's a very long trip and it was very nice. It's a 5-star. Yeah, I'm just showing you guys the.
So guys, we're at Bengal Beach in Trelawny. Just coming from Bueno, where we did 3 miles worth of river tubing. It was awesome, guys. We enjoyed every minute of it. Thank you so much, Team Bueno.
Sorry, that's why there's something written there before you can sign.
Oh shit!
You'll go back in 1
We got the strap up. We're strapped. Oh god.
Hey! Anjo, big nose Anjo. Big nose Anjo, put them away.
Oh my god.
You alright?
Man, just. Oh my god. This is a bridge, guys, like a bridge. Even though let me jump.
Okay, people.
At this point.
All river is 27 miles long. So now we know to go to leave from fresh water to salt water. The river is the border of 2 parishes in Jamaica. St. Anne
And Trelawny. Yeah.
So we are now in St. Anne.
We are.
As soon as we get in the water, we are in Trelawny.
Wow.
Alright?
Hey, Marsha. I'm in St. Anne.
How many time money? First in Jamaica. So you know they dam the river 7 miles up.
So what am I doing with that water?
Hydroelectric.
Oh!
Yeah, man.
So we should not use the water and
That's why we should have transport our car. We got more sunshine than you.
right along the
That's nice, man. Phone them now, no like that.
hike before we do the river tubing.
Yeah. Yeah, we're going to put in a queue.
To crawl and fall, alright? We are not in a rush. Alright?
Crawl and fall. Great, got it.
So slow down.
See, you're not even did go catch me. Kirk.
Alright, so we're going to come back past it with you.
Yes, Lily, you can do it. Ali, go.
Okay.
See, you know, even did go catch me. Don't be there. Kirk.
Alright, so we're going to come back past it with you.
Yes, Lily, you can do it. Ali, go.
Okay. I put on the security. Carol. Security. Average looking at section. I want to put them up. I want to write this here, the man there. Yes, I'm tired. Leave me alone. Jump on. Can't show you the evidence. No, be good. No, be good. Yes, don't do it, you have to do it. Three now, hold on, 1 hour. Bueno, go on.
Ready?
Go, go, go!
Right? The river flow into the bushes, into the rocks. What we are here for, Everton, Andre, Dwayne, try to keep you away from the bushes or away from the rocks. But 3/4 of the time or 75% of the time, you will go underneath a little bit of bushes. You will hit a rock. But what we want from you, listen to me very carefully. Sitting in the field like this, sit as you put, right? You're going down the rapids, you see a rock on the left, please don't lean your tube to the right. Because if you do lean your tube to the right and the rock hit the tube, you will flip over. And you will flip over in the tattoo. You got tattoos? Alright. You're going to get some Jamaican tattoos, but it's not going to be like that on your arm. It's going to be cuts and bruises. And in case you forgot all of what I say, and you do lean, and the rock hit the tube, and you flip out, what I want you to do is please let go of the tube and lay on your back. Because you see what the life vest does for you? Lay on your back, yeah, foot down the stream, head upstream.
So I just got most of the turn me over and you drop over my face. Yeah, you for me back. It's a small breath. Yeah.
If you drop out, you'll try and get over and then we'll have to try again.
Alright. You ain't going to Black today, you know.
Guys. Go Miami. Go Milana.
Nobody knows jump ship. Turn around. Let's go that.
Go, mommy. Kurt, you go.
Turn you back towards you.
Why me? You go.
If you're letting go, you will take a picture. Ask her to hold on. Yeah. Okay. Right? What me say my name again?
Durale or
Back
whatever.
home they call me Wet Meat. What me say my name? Yeah, man, what me say my name? Back home they call me Wet Meat.
Wet knee.
What my name?
Wet knee.
Yeah, man.
What? Hey. Wet up the way on my phone.
You alright? What I want you to do, if you're going down a rapids like this, don't lean forward, right? Don't lean forward. Don't lean forward. Just lean back.
But you can't put on music.
My boombox in my bag, you know.
Is it because I don't want to let go?
Enjoy myself.
This is what, Great River?
Yeah, but you know what? Yeah?
This is Great River?
No.
We are going a good river.
You said 27 miles of river. That's what you said? Yeah.
But we're only going 3 miles.
I think at 27.
27, but we only doing.
You know, a lot of people go and tell us that this river named Rio Bueno, right?
Yeah, but it's Sea River.
Yes. Just because when Christopher Columbus just come to Jamaica, they landed at Discovery Bay. They call them Puerto Rico. And in Spanish, Puerto Rico means but this river don't name Rio Bueno. The name of the river is Dana River. Why people call it Rio Bueno? Because when you come to down at the bay, which part you're going, the tank will have been docked and find fresh water. So you say Rio Bueno, good river. So it's just the bay area named Rio Bueno. Okay. Yeah. And this river also coming all the way from Clarendon, sink away in Cave Valley and pop up back in Stuart Town. Wow. So you know Trelawny is over there and St. Ann is over here.
Just type in snap it. Put on your phone.
Oh my God! I feel like I'm in Temple Run. You know when you go over this.
Watch your bush, watch your bush.
We are Bueno, guys. I'm on the river.
You mind you drop over, you know? Because I don't catch that on camera, you see? Oh my God.
That's it, that's it.
Just walk on road.
Football player, what is?
Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wicked!
No, you have to hold on.
We're stranded in the middle of nowhere, guys.
We're stranded.
Are we going to see now?
Okay, so now we need to go catch fish. Into the river, into the sea. Into the sea. Oh my God.
Come in the paddle! Paddle!
Nobody now paddle. Everybody are trying to get into the video. Yeah. Paddling, guys. Yeah.
Oh, it's so rich.
Yeah. Where's the lifestyle there? Best one. Best one in the building. You got miss the friend. Marsha?
Oh,
Yeah? Yeah.
trip, and it was very nice. It's a 5-star. Yeah. I'm just showing you guys the thingy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn the notification bell on. And you don't know the trips. Join the Diva family.
Travis, meet her halfway, Travis.
Kurt.
When? A while ago. Wait, nearly click back.
No, sideways.
Sideways?
Hey! Milan! Mommy!
Samara!
Oi!